Welcome back to Kadima Locksmith. Today we're going to be programming a 2015 Dodge Ram pickup 1500. We're going to be programming an aftermarket proxy key. So let's get started. We're going to be using a Auto Pro Pad to program this specific vehicle. And remember, the last time we done a 2011 Dodge Caravan, and we're going to go through the same system. Again, this is a proxy key that we're going to be using. So let's get started. Shouldn't take that long, should be fairly fast. Let's get started. So we're going to first go to Chrysler. The first thing we're going to do is stick the key into the ignition to see whether or not it's the right FCC. If it turns on, if the dashboard turns on, it's the right FCC. If it doesn't turn on, it's going to give you an error and say wrong key. So let's first do that. Good deal. You should see the proxy on the, you should see the immobilize on the dashboard. So let's get started. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions. We're going to go to identify the vehicle. It is a 2015 Ram. We're going to say yes. And then we're going to read the PIN code. We're reading the PIN code, 661. So that's 6661. Okay. Now we're going to go to number of keys, 2. Now we're going to go add a key because the customer want to keep the keys. She's not sure where they are. We're going to go to Fobik. Okay. We're going to turn on a hazard. They're on. Switch ignition off. Yes. Okay. We're going to put in a code 6661. It's programmed. Let's go back and let's check the number of keys. There should be 3 keys in the system. We do have 3 keys. Now we're going to remove this. Move the proxy. Turn off the hazards. Test the lock. It locked. It unlocks. And now we're going to start it up. And we start it up. Thank you so much for watching. Again, coming to you from Kadima Locksmith. Thank you.